Alright, term trading just means buying and selling. The trading which I most talk about is buying and selling of different financial markets. And when I say financial markets, I mean forex, cryptocurrency, uh, indices, metals, commodities, even stocks. Those are financial markets. So what happens is when the government prints money, it first puts it in the financial markets. And the first people to get that money are most huge investors and banks. So after banks and huge investors get it, they come to give it to the public. So if you want to get money directly from the government, you need to be a trader. You need to trade financial markets. When you get that money directly, you're good. So trading is a skill which helps you to generate money. I may say it's a money making machine. When you're good at it, you realize an amount of money. So my advice is trade because a lot of big billionaires worldwide are traders. There's a lot of examples. You can just Google and you'll find them. Stay blessed signing out.